What we're going to show here is how Photoshop actions are no longer working as expected. We are working on Adobe Photoshop 27.3.1 on a Mac running 15.7 something. So if I open up a file here, we're going to open up a TIFF file. This TIFF file is RGB. It is in the Adobe RGB 1998 working space. It is 8-bit. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to our actions palette and we're going to create a new action. Okay, so this is test Photoshop. So in this test Photoshop here, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a couple of adjustment layers. So here's a selective color. We're going to do that. It's going to look really bad. Then we're going to go to color balance, go like that, some curves, check a curve like that, and then maybe levels or exposure or something, go like that. And we're going to then stop our action. Now, what I'm going to do is delete all of these layers that were created while we made that action. I'm going to go over here to the Actions palette and run this action. And what you see is almost nothing happened. The only action that actually got recorded was the last one that was done. Otherwise, it creates the adjustment layer, but it doesn't remember what was done. The only way around that, we will delete our action. I'm going to go up here and create a new action again. So test 2. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to do this right here, make this adjustment until we can see it, and it looks really ugly, so we know it's there. And then I'm going to go over here and stop the action. Now, if I start the recording button again, and I do that, actually I don't want to do that, because I don't want black and white. Let's do the curves, and this time we're going to go like this, and we're going to go back over here and stop it, and then we're going to start recording again, and we're going to do an exposure layer like that, and then we're going to stop again. So in order to test this, we're going to delete these 3 layers. We're going to go back over here to our test 2 action and run it, and it did work. It remembered, anyway, it did remember all of the adjustment layers that were put in there and what was done, if you stop and start it every single time. Another solution that was proposed that makes this work, let's delete this again. Go back up here, we're going to make a new action again. This time we're going to call it test 3. Is if you click on and off of the layer as you do it. So for example, if I make an adjustment layer here and make that adjustment layer, and then I click off of it, back onto it, did it remember it? Did. If I click off of it and I do a selective color, I'm going to put a bunch of yellow in the blacks. Try that. Click off of it, click back on it. Okay. Go to the background again. Let's do levels. And take that, shift it, make it really bright. Click off of it, and back on it, and then stop. Now we're going to delete all three of these layers, adjustment layers, and we're going to run this and see if it worked. And that does work. It did remember these things. So it'll work if you click on and off of the layers each time, and it will work if you stop and start in between every single adjustment. But certainly recording actions doesn't work the way it's supposed to and the way it's always worked, and that you could go create a bunch of adjustment layers and do things and then have it remember those. Now it does not accurately record what you've done.